Okay, guys. Okay. So one of my questions about this whole deal, page 10 of 44 on this, well, I'll give you the link. I'll put it in the description or down below. But one of the questions I kept asking and stating is that the post-tensioning, when it was done, 2 and 11, correction. Yeah, 2 and 11. They did the deck too, as we know, just a couple, only two in the deck, like D1 and D1s, and then the canopy, and then D2 and D11. I'm sorry, number 2 and number 11 diagonals, and they tested this right here. The span was fully supported on the end diaphragms and the casting area, full post-tensioning, etc. So, etc. What's etc. mean? So it was fully post-tension. So all the post-tensioning was in here on this self-supporting test. And what happens when they have it over the structure where it fails is that, yeah, this might have been that way, but this was not the condition. These test conditions were not the road conditions. The road conditions where it failed, they detensioned 2 and 11. So therefore, this is not applicable. You can't extrapolate that. It doesn't make sense that it failed because it was not 2 and 11 was not detentioned over there in the staging yard. And then also, take note of this. During this time, the pylon and diaphragm was uniformly supported over its entire surface area on the original soffit used during casting. Over its entire surface area. So there's my question that I kept wanting to determine. So the fail then was the end. It was fully supported underneath. And it also had post-tensioning here. So what do we have different? The failure is we no longer have full support underneath. And we don't have number 2 anchoring the back of 12, as I state. So I just wanted to show you where I got some clarity on that now in the documents here. Keep in mind that they do not know how the cracking happened. That's what Danny Page states. So everything else after that is just pure, just junk. I mean, what's the point of all this if you're not addressing the cracks? And specifically. Now, here we go. The span was fully self-supporting on the end diaphragms and the casting area, full post-tension, etc. for several weeks prior to the move. All right, so that's that. That is that. I'm going to terminate the video. I'll give you page 10 of 44. I'll give you the link to this. And there we go.